All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. I've missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I've lost almost 300 games. 26 times I've been trusted to take the game-winning shot and missed. I've failed over and over and over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed. Don't limit yourself. Many people limit themselves to what they think they can do. You can go as far as your mind lets you, what you believe. Remember, you can achieve. It's hard to beat a person who never gives up. What you get by achieving your goals is not as important as what you become by achieving your goals. It always seems impossible until it's done. Success is liking yourself, liking what you do, and liking how you do it. I wake up every morning and think to myself, how far can I push this company in the next 24 hours? If people are doubting how far you can go so far that you can't hear them anymore. We need to accept that we won't always make the right decisions, that we'll screw up royally sometimes. Understanding that failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of success. You gotta dance like there's nobody watching, love like you'll never be hurt, sing like there's nobody listening, and live like it's heaven on earth. Fairy tales are more than true, not because they tell us that dragons exist, but because they tell us that dragons can be beaten. Everything you can imagine is real. When one door of happiness closes, another opens. But often we look so long at the closed door that we do not see the one which has been opened for us. Do one thing every day that scares you. Do what you feel in your heart to be right, for you'll be criticized anyway. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. Whatever you are, be a good one. Things may come to those who wait, but only the things left by those who hustle. Invest in your dreams. Grind now, shine later. I realize that I don't have to be perfect. All I have to do is show up and enjoy the messy, imperfect, and beautiful journey of my life. Your talent is God's gift to you. What you do with it is your gift back to God. Be a first-rate version of yourself instead of a second-rate version of somebody else. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. I always did something I was a little not ready to do. I think that's how you grow. When there's that moment of, wow, I'm not really sure I can do this, and you push through those moments, that's when you have a breakthrough. If you hear a voice within you say, you cannot paint, then by all means paint, and that voice will be silenced. How wonderful it is that nobody need waste a single moment before starting to improve the world. Some people want it to happen, some wish it would happen, others make it happen. Very often, a change of self is needed more than a change of scene. Everyone has inside them a piece of good news. The good news is you don't know how great you can be, how much you can love, what you can accomplish, and what your potential is. Keep your face always toward the sunshine, and shadows will fall behind you. I hated every minute of training, but I said, don't quit. Suffer now and live the rest of your life as a champion. If you want to fly, give up everything that weighs you down. You don't need to see the whole staircase. Just take the first step. You can't go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending.